Princess of the Forest, and welcome to my channel. At sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga next videos pa natin. And for today's vlog is all about what inside my ref. Siya nga pala, I would like to say thank you to Miss Ann Vlog from Bohol. She's the one who suggests me this content. Thank you, Miss Ann Vlog from Bohol. At sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe kay Miss Ann Vlogs from Bohol, please subscribe. So guys, buksan na natin ang ating ref para makita niyo na what inside my ref. Ayan. Nakaganyan talaga ako. Post, naka-ano. Ayan, that's it. So let's open. Tada! This is my ref. Actually, halos wala ng laman kasi ano na ba tayo today? Wednesday? Thursday? Kasi every Sunday, yung general groceries namin, nag-groceries kami for 1 week, every Sunday. So, today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. So, medyo wala ng laman. So, papakita ko sa inyo first itong aking door. Ito, may milk tea tayo. And then, mga food supplement, guys. Yung mga vitamins. Like, calcium. And then, we have vitamin C. Ayan. And then, here is U-Gold. Good for your health. May mark siya. Look at that, guys. Itong mark na to. Ayan. And then, this one. Pag oily food, ito yung tiyan na iniinom ko para lalabas yung mga yung mga toxic. And then over here we have wasabi. We have a lot of wasabi kasi mahilig sila. And then mayonnaise, and then dressing. Then also water, then ocha. And also mga steak sauce. That kind of mga panluluto. Mga tabasco. Dito siya nakalagay. And then ilalapit natin yung camera, guys. And in here, fruits. We have fruits. And then, chocolate. Hindi to akin, guys, sa asawa ko. Mahilig siya sa chocolate. Ako, no. Hindi ako mahilig. Ayan. Ito yung apple na inano. Ayan. Hindi niya nakain pa. And then, we have her yogurt. And then, milk. Another milk. We have a lot of milk. Kasi, yung mga anak ko, they love fresh milk. And then, natto. Hindi nyo alam yung natto. Yung beans na parang ano dito sa Japan. This one. And then, tofu. We have her tofu. And then, the next one is here. We have cheese. Ito yung lagay namin ng cheese. And then, mga pickles. And then, what do you call this one? Parang ano nila sa pagkain. Mga nuri. Asawa ko lang naman kumakain. Hindi ako marunong. Ayan, that's it, guys. Ano siya? Ito si Grash. And then, nuri bean, ang tawag sa kanila. And then, this one is mga mushroom. Nilalagay nila sa pagkain, sa rice. Ayan. Pag walang ulam, ito na lang. Ayan. That's it. And we have drinks. Asawa ko, mga inumin niya, guys. This over here. This one. Ayan, that's it. And then, ito, mga ano niya, mga pagkain din niya yan. And then, we have her chiller, sa chiller. Ayan, tofu egg. Ayan, ayan siya, guys. And then, rosam. Ayan. Mga otsumami ng asawa ko, guys. Or mga pulutan. What here? We have here. Niluto ko kaninang, may natirang karne. Then, we have her ham. Ayan, mga ham. And that's it here. Okay, so let's close it. Ayan. So guys, let's go to in our vegetable box. Ayan. And that's my vegetable box. Ayan. We have our paprika. And then lettuce. We have also carrots. And then apple. This one is garlic. And we have also beans. Ayan. Masarap po guys. Ayan. I love it. And we have also fish sausage. We have a lot of fish sausage. It's good for our health. Ayan. And then here we have mandarin orange, cabbage, and then eggplant, mushroom. We have a lot of mushroom guys. Alam niyo ba ang mushroom guys? Itong mushroom na to is nakaka-prevent siya ng cancer. And then this one, my favorite. Ayan, lagi akong binibili ng asawa ko niyan. It's cake. Ayan, that's my favorite. Ito, may ligong chocolate, pero pag ito, ayan, okay. Hilig-hilig ko. Ayan. That's it. And we have also wine. This one is wine. Ayan, mga strong liquor. And that's it. Here in vegetable box. And let's go to frozen one. Ito din mga frozen to. Ayan, guys. Mga instant. Ayan, mga easy to eat. Ano mo lang yan guys, initin mo lang, i-arrange mo lang. Then, ayan, nakakain ka na. Then, we have also this one. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, we have her mga meat. Ayan. Chicken. Ayan. Chicken. Puro chicken, guys. And we have also beef. Kasi yung asawa ko, guys, hindi siya kumakain ng pork. So, beef and chicken only. So, we have a lot of it. Ayan. Ito shell. This one is shell. Ayan. Ayan. And then, ito isang steak. Ang pag overtime yung asawa ko, pag uwi niya sa bahay, papaluto lagi ng steak. Kasi yun yung gusto niya, pulutan at sumati. Then we have also pizza. Ayan, pizza. We have a lot of it. Kasi yun. Kasi every morning hindi kami kumakain ng rice talaga. Pizza or mga siumay or siupaw sa atin. Not siumay, siupaw. At isi-share ko pala sa inyo guys ito. This is from my garden. Nakalagay tempura. Ito yung pantimpura kong ito naka-frozen siya. Kasi pag winter dito sa Japan, wala nang mga gulay, mahal na. So ako meron pa rin. It's from my garden pa rin. We have a lot of it. Sa baba. Ayan, that's it. That's inside my ref. Ayan. Hope guys you like it. Ayan, again. Ayan, at sana may natutunan kayo. Especially sa ito, ganito, yung naka-organize talaga siya. It's easy to find. Ayan siya guys. Pag gusto mong kukunin yung pinakadulo, it's easy. Hindi ka mahihirap. Kasi naka-organize siya. Ayan. Thank you for watching, guys.